All Treasury software products are fully integrated with QuickBooks. This means QuickBooks users can import their transactions directly from their QuickBooks accounts and then easily match and reconcile them with their bank statement. To use QuickBooks integration, bank reconciliation and QuickBooks must be installed and running on the same machine. Bank reconciliation supports QuickBooks Professional, Premier, and Enterprise editions, U.S. versions 2003 or later. To get started, first confirm that QuickBooks is running and a company is open. From the Treasury Software Welcome screen, select Bank Reconciliation. The sample account should open automatically. The goal of our bank reconciliation software is to first match bank transactions with your general ledger transactions and quickly identify exceptions or unmatched records, and then, after matching, to help you balance your accounts each period with our unique reconciliation report. Your bank and general ledger transactions can be imported to bank reconciliation from an Excel or CSV file. While bank transactions must always be imported from a file, our QuickBooks integration lets you import your general ledger transactions directly from your QuickBooks account. This tutorial covers importing general ledger transactions from QuickBooks. We highly recommend viewing our other bank reconciliation videos for a complete overview of our bank reconciliation software. Let's start by creating an account. You don't want to work in the sample account because it resets and your data would be lost. Notice I've already migrated from my desktop version to SQL Express before I take this step. From the main menu, select File, New Account. I select Create and name the account Checking. My new account opens automatically. From the main menu, select QuickBooks and QuickBooks Integration. If QuickBooks is running and a company is open, the QuickBooks icon should now be flashing at the bottom of the page. The flashing icon indicates bank reconciliation is trying to access your QuickBooks database, and QuickBooks is waiting to grant access. On the permissions screen, I select the third choice, Always Allow, and QuickBooks automatically remembers this permission, and I won't have to repeat this step. BankRec is now connected to QuickBooks and can display all the accounts in the open QuickBooks company. The bank account we're going to use is our checking account, so I select it and save. Now that we're connected to QuickBooks and have selected a bank account, transactions that haven't been sent to bank reconciliation are displayed. Think of this window as a view to your QuickBooks data. The first time you access this integration window, it displays not just current transactions, but historical transactions as well. This is because we haven't yet sent any transactions to bank reconciliation. Once items are sent, by default, they are no longer displayed here. Note the totals at the bottom of the screen. As a best practice, always confirm that your totals and the number of records are correct. To complete the process, go to step number 2, Send Transactions to Bank Reconciliation. Your transactions will automatically be saved as general ledger transactions. If I want to view the import, I can run several reports. For now, I'll run an import log and select Record Detail to see the transactions. After importing our general ledger from QuickBooks, we'll import our bank statement. I've already logged into my bank's website, downloaded my transactions, and saved them to an Excel file. From the main screen, select Import Bank. My file appears in the window, but I could use Select File to browse for it, or I could copy and paste my data into the grid using the Paste button. In the mapping window, I map the required fields: date, check number, amount, and description. Bank Reconciliation automatically saves my mapping choices. If you need to change a mapping choice later, select the column and then use the drop-down menu to map the correct field. I complete the import and finish. With both our bank and general ledger transactions imported, we kick off our automated transaction matching. Select Matching from the home screen. In seconds, automated transaction matching is complete and our unmatched transactions are displayed side by side. Bank transactions are on the left and general ledger transactions are on the right. We finish by manually matching or cleaning up the transactions that should be paired. Let's return to the QuickBooks integration screen to review some advanced features. While typically you would not need these controls, If you uncheck Hide Transactions Already Imported, you'll be able to view the records we already sent to bank reconciliation. If you uncheck Hide, Mark, Unmark Records to import, 3 advanced controls for marking transactions will be available. We've included a mark override that allows you to resend a transaction. To use these controls, select the transactions, then select the control. Remember, you can import your general ledger into bank reconciliation from a file, but when you're working with QuickBooks, use the QuickBooks integration link on the main menu to import your transactions. We encourage you to watch our other bank reconciliation tutorials to explore more features such as our high-speed matching engine, our reporting grid, and our unique reconciliation tool. To learn more about Treasury software and our other Treasury management products, please visit our website at www.treasurysoftware.com.